Hey YouTube, we're here on Animal Jam. Can I make a new one? Can I make a new one? Oh, yes.
I want to show them mine.
Okay. And also, by the way, my friend's here again. Goku 77. And there's also robot music playing in the background.
Yeah. You like it? I chose it.
Come on, you got it. Go.
It's logging in.
Oh. How long do you have to wait? Oh, take out the Gmail. What
The heck?
I'm going good.
Oh yeah.
What?
I switched my animal. I forgot that. Hey dude, watch this. Hold on.
What'd you do?
Now let's see the dance of Ex-Cupid Boy. Oh my gosh, I never even knew that. Did you see that? I could do that, but not that. It's a little hard. Let's trade for something good. Oh, come on, I already traded something that I hated.
What about that guy?
That guy.
Fuzzy.
Nope, he doesn't have anything in his trade list.
What about you? Do you have anything in the trade list?
Yeah, a lot. Everything. Well, yeah. Let's play this game.
I love the music.
Yeah, I chose it. How do you play this?
I don't know.
What? 6? What?
Oh, I got a gem.
This one. Oh, come on. That's good at least, but
This game's really good. You get gems. A lot of gems.
I know. Whoopsies. I got 1,000 gems in one game. Alright, let's play an easier game. I want to go here. Where is it? Crystal Sands. Wait. Let's go to... Oh, I have a message. Sure. What the... Just ask. Let's be buddies. Summer Carnival. I want to make cotton candy. Wait, oh yeah. Yummy. Oh, he almost got the same kind as me, but it's purple on the bottom. My family, what the heck? I don't like this cursor.
What happened to the song?
Oh, this is the hard game.
Easy to me.
It's really hard. Oh yeah.
Running out of time, running out of time, running out of time.
Okay, I don't care. We're running out of time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got. Nah. Let's try this game.
How many gems do you have?
I have like a million of gems.
We have to pop the balloons. Oh, you popped the letters?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, I popped the letters. No, actually, I popped all the balloons.
You pop everything.
Just keep on pressing that. Just keep on pressing.
Yeah, 500.
Ooh. Do the balloons look smaller? Seems weird.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, I think you don't. Oh yeah, you press all of them. Oh yeah, you have to press the bugs also.
I know. Oh yeah.
What do you get? What do you use the tickets for?
Oh yeah, these stuff. I don't even have enough for any.
Whoa.
Oh, what's this?
Whoa. Oh, it's like bowling. Oh.
Oh shoot.
It's actually a really good game. I love bowling.
Oh yeah. Well, 50 is good enough.
Good. Oh, you
Oh yeah, 100.
You almost got the middle thing. Oh, 250.
250, I got it.
You did?
Whoops.
No, you already got 300.
Yeah. You keep on making me mess up.
Sorry. Try to get to 30.
Oh yeah, again I got 300.
You get 10.
Yep. 100? No, 50 excessive. Oh yeah, 83.
Well, yep.
Time's up.
Time's
See
up.
you YouTube.
And please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.